Watch the nose come up on this aircraft. 25 degrees nose up. This is the Airbus A400M. Now, Airbus makes a lot of airliners, right? You may have flown on one. This has some similarities with some Airbus aircraft. Be a yoke, like a control wheel, and if the pilot wants to control the throttles, his or her left hand is on the control yoke and the right hand is on the throttles. In this case, throttles, left hand stick controller, and no obstruction for the instrument panel, so the view of the instruments is perfect. Interesting design. That's a refueling probe. That allows that can be extended farther out so that it can take gas. Well, yeah, that's a rather indelicate term for this. It's called passing. It is literally flown into the basket, and then the flow of fuel can take place. That basket's about 3 feet in diameter, and so they have to fly in very, very careful in close formation to do it.
As long as they don't need maintenance, I guess they can keep flying forever, right? All the fuel they need.
Eventually, you got to change the oil.
Yeah, you got it.
Change a tire or whatever.